So the next thing what you are going to do is the exception handling. Mainly it will deals with the errors and everything. For example, when you are accepting some value from the user, maybe you made everything correct, the program code, syntax and everything is correct. But due to the wrong input from the user, maybe it will make some problem in your programs, right? For
Yes.
example, you're accepting a number from the user, but in the place of number, user put some text. It's a problem, right? You cannot do the number text with some calculation and all. Also, for example, you're doing division by these two numbers, and you're accepting both the numbers to be divided from the user. But the user inputted the second number as 0. It's an exception, right?
Yes.
Because you cannot divide the number by 0. So
Yes.
in these cases, that means the runtime error, we'll call it as runtime error. That means when you're running the program due to the wrong input or due to some program logic, maybe it will make some problems in the program. So that time, wherever you have the problem, the Python stops in that particular line and it will not continue the rest of the programs. It will stop the execution in that line itself. So let's say you want to handle this. That means if you have any problem in that line, I want to show the error message to the user, then I want to continue executing the rest of the things. You can do that with the exception handling topic. Got it?
Yes.
That's the concept of exception handling. And to do or to implement this exception handling, Python uses different blocks like try, except, finally. Like mainly we are using try, except, finally, and a else block with the try as well. I'll show you what is the difference between the each of the block. For example, I'll just open the idle. Can you just open the idle?
Mm,
Yeah, it's here. It's here. So let's say I'll just create a new program. Okay. Or I'll show with my system. I'll just share my screen. See, for example, I'm making a program here which accepts some number from the user. Hmm?
yes.
For example, a is equal to, then I'm using int of input, then enter first number. Similar like that, I'm asking to enter the second number as well. Second number. I'm doing c is equal to a divided by b. Okay. Then I'm
Yes.
printing the result to the user. A simple calculation. Print result is comma c. After that, let's say you have some other statement after this. Print something welcome. Okay, I'll run the program. Then inside that, I'm just storing exceptions. So it asked me to enter the number. Let's say I put 23. Second number I put 5. Okay, it gave me the result. Everything perfect, right?
Yes.
Again, I'll run my program again. So this time, okay, I put 45. Second number he put as 0. Exception, right?
Yes.
Because the program stops in this line. Actually, this print command doesn't have any connection with this calculation, right? This should have come, right?
Yes.
But when you have an exception in this line, the program stops in this line. It won't execute the rest of the things. And not only in that case, for example, let's say I run it again. I put first number, sorry, and second number I put a text. So that is another exception, right?
Yes.
See, so it's showing value error. So you see that whenever you're typing something, Python is showing some exception classes. It comes under this category. That's what it means. See, 35. I put 0. It comes under which category? See,
Zero division error.
zero division error. And if you put wrong input, it comes under value error category. For example, I just put text input. See, it comes under the value error category. We need to know this category as well to handle different errors. I'll show you. And now what I'm doing is I want to handle this. If there is some problem, I want to show him, okay, this is happened. Then I want to continue the rest of the programs. Okay, I'll implement one block which is called as try. Sorry. After that, I moved the whole things inside the try block by using the indentation. Okay, so the try is a block where we can use all the possible places where the exception can happen. Get the point? This is the area where I can expect the error, right?
Yes.
Due to wrong input, maybe here, maybe wrong calculation. So I put everything inside the try block. Okay, after that, if something happened in this try block, I need to handle it, right? For that, we'll be using another block which is called as assert. Okay, and inside that we can show a message, something like invalid. Well, let's see what will happen now. I put first number, second number I put 0. See, it didn't stop like the previous execution, and it's showing invalid, and it's continue the rest of the things. You see that?
Yeah.
Again, I run the program. So let's say initially I put number, second time I put text. See, but now there is a problem. Every time it's showing same message, invalid, invalid. I'm not able to understand what is my problem, right?
Yes.
So I want to show a custom message to the user based on the error. If something problem with the arithmetic calculation, I want to show that message. If some problem with the value error, I want to show that message. You get the point?
Yes.
For that, so I'll just copy paste it here. This is the first code, the simple exception handling. Okay, and remember, we cannot have try without except. Makes sense, because without the try except we cannot draw it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and also we cannot have except without the try as well, because both are connected. Yeah, so let's say this is a simple exception handling. Again, what I'm trying to do is I want to use different exception classes, multiple exception classes. For that, we'll be using something like this, except arithmetic error. Okay, as E. I'll tell you what is the purpose of E and all. Okay. Yeah, see here, yeah, value error, then I'm just printing valid input. Okay, I put 45, second number I put 0. It's showing must be more than 0. I run the program. Let's say I put first number, second time text. It's showing invalid input. It's showing a customized message to the user, right?
Yes.
So the purpose of using multiple exception block is based on the error. If something happening in arithmetic related error, who will execute? This except will execute. If there is some problem with the value, who will execute? The second except will execute. Got it?
Yes.
And Right now we are printing a manual message, right? A message which you typed directly. Instead of typing the message like that, even you can do like this way as well. See, I'm just printing E here and I'm printing R here. Let's see what will happen. I just close it again. I put 0. See, actually I haven't typed the message anywhere in my program, but it still display the message. From where? Arithmetic error is a default exception block in the program. It's also a built-in function. Assume it's a function because we haven't done the functions, classes and everything. We'll call this one as a class. Default arithmetic error is a default class which is already saved in the system. So we are creating a reference of that. So E is just a reference of this class. So whatever
I
the
can call it A, B, or C,
A,
or
B, anything. See, A here, just a name, single letter, two letter, or something. See, let's say A, B. So you use A, B here, just as a variable. So actually, this is a reference of arithmetic error class. So whatever the arithmetic error happen in this block, that details are there in this AB. You can print the AB. So he will do the message automatically. See, I run the program. So this time I put some, instead of number, I put text. See, it's showing the message and it continue the program as well, right?
Yes.
This is the advantage of using different except block. Got it?
Yes.
Multiple exception. So this is called as multiple exception blocks. Also,
and here, if I want to keep running, I can use the while loop.
Exactly. Perfect.
Default,
Same logic.
right?
Yeah. Same logic. Whole thing will be in the what? While loop, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll show you that one. See, next thing is, let's say I want to know it's success or not, right? How will you understand whether the program is executed successfully or not? See, one more thing is there. Together with this one, we'll be using else. Printing a message here, which is saying success. When this success message will come? Let's say I put 45 and 0. That success message didn't came, right?
Yes.
Again, I run the program. This time I put number and text. That time also success message didn't came. Let's say I run the program again. This time I put 56 and 3. This time success came. That means what? What is the meaning of else then? Else with the try and except will execute only if try is completing without error.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Without error, without any problem, if the try is completing successfully till the last line, then only he will execute.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Try with else. The else will execute if the try block complete successfully. Got it?
Yes.
Also, then you ask me something, right? To repeat the program until it's success. See, we can do it like this. See, this. Let's say I'm putting a while loop here. Okay, while I not equal to 1. The same logic what we applied in the menu driven program.
Yes.
So initially I will store I as 1. It can be any number. Let's say 100. And I'll change the I value to 1 when? If you do it here, is that okay? Get the logic?
Yes. Okay.
Because if the try is completing successfully, else will execute. If else is executing, I am changing my I value to 1. If my I is 1, the loop will not execute anymore.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
See? 1 second. We missed a double problem. Enter the first number. I put this one. Second number I put 0. Error. See? It's continuing.
Yes.
I put number. Second number I put text. See? Again I put text. Again I put text. This time I put right numbers. It completed. It printed success. It just finished everything.
Okay.
Get the logic?
Yes.
This is very important in the Python to handle the errors. So when you're reading from the extra file, the Excel file or a CSV file or something, that time the error can happen, right?
Yes.
Maybe file will not exist in the program. That will do, like checking the files and all. We have the topic. Got it?
Yes.
So the else with the try means it will execute only if the try is completing successfully without having any problem.
Okay.
That time I'm updating the I. Actually, it can be anything, right? It can be 10, 20 or anything. As long as my I is not 1, okay, it will repeat.
Yeah.
Got it? That's the same logic we applied in the previous program only, right?
Yeah.
We made it as 0 or 1 or something. If my I changes to 4, it stops.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Get the logic, right?
Yes.
Can you implement this in the previous question? You're accepting employee ID, name and everything, right? Salary and all. Let's say I want to implement exception handling. Maybe in employee ID, he will put a text. So that's an exception. I want to repeat the program.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So wherever I can have the error, possible errors, I have to handle it with the try and accept.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And one more small thing. If you don't know the exception classes, we can do this one, like what I show you in the beginning. This one, without having any message. For all, it will execute this. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just send you this question. When you can attend the next class?
Um, at
Tomorrow you are
night.
starting the duty, right?
Yeah.
Then evenings you'll get maybe like alternate days,
Uh,
8 o'clock or something.
yeah, 8 o'clock. Wednesday. Wednesday is fine.
Wednesday, yeah, okay. Or Tuesday, can you make it Tuesday 8 o'clock?
Tuesday after tonight. Okay.
Okay, right?
Yes.
At least just once. If you are not, if you are okay, like if you have any problem or something, let me know. Okay, then we can arrange to Wednesday like that.
Yes. Okay. Fine.
Alternate days is fine.
Okay.
Hmm?
But I can finish sooner.
Yeah, because if you take 1 week gap, like if you're doing only on one day, it will take time, and it's a chance to forget the stuff as well.
Yeah.
So we have to keep practicing the things. Then only it will be the proper idea. Now till here it's fine, right?